Myself, Dr. Mudin Bhatnagar. I'm a son of Sudhir Kumar Bhatnagar. He had severe dry cough and dyspnea at home, and it was so severe that we all were tensed about his condition. And he himself realized that the condition is that severe that he may not survive. And he told me at home कि बेटा अब आगे कैसे होगा मुझे नहीं पता. So we consulted Dr. Mahesh Pasarge in Western Railway Hospital, and he said that go for angiography because your cough is mainly having a cardiac cause probably. So we consulted Tricolor Hospitals and we went for the angiography by Dr. Krishan Kant Sharma. And in such a case, it was seeming to be a case in which operation is not feasible at all. So they said that we can go for bypass, but since the ejection is very low, आपको viability, myocardial viability scan कराना पड़ेगा, in which they see that कितना part of the heart is living and which part of the heart is already having a dead patch. In 2007, he had an old heart attack also. We went out of the city because in Baroda we didn't have myocardial viability scan. So in that, the viability scan came out to be surprisingly very nice. तो उसमें ऐसे रहा कि बहुत सारे पैचेस थे जिसमें living patch of myocardium was found. So then एक suddenly एक new hope आ गई मुझे भी कि नहीं अब living है तो हम इसे फिर से ऑपरेट करके blood supply करके possible हो जाएगा. Then we came back to Baroda Tricolor Hospitals. We consulted Dr. Devendra Singh and Dr. Nitin Man Shetty, and दोनों ने बहुत ही सपोर्टिवली और अच्छे से कंसल्ट किया, काउंसिल किया, एंड दे सेड कि हम लोग ये ऑपरेशन कर लेंगे. बट सडनली बिफोर द ऑपरेशन पता चला कि लंग डैमेज भी बहुत ज्यादा है, एंड दैट लंग डैमेज, द कॉज ऑफ लंग डैमेज वाज वेरी अनक्लियर एट दैट टाइम द CT स्कैन. तो दे सेड कि इसमें तो रेगुलर आप ऑपरेशन हो ही नहीं सकता. तो ऑलमोस्ट हर एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे मैं ये इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती रही कि अब बाईपास नहीं हो सकता, बाईपास नहीं हो सकता, एंड एवरी टाइम इट वाज बीइंग कैंसल्ड, एवरी टाइम ही गॉट डीमोटिवेटेड, वेरी मच enthusiastic and excited to get treated and get rid of this condition. Then I again talked to Dr. Devendra Singh and Dr. Shetty, and they said that we have a new technique that we can go for epidural anesthesia for coronary bypass grafting, and the patient will be awake and we will conduct the surgery. So मैं shocked हो गया कि ऐसे awake कैसे हो सकता है, मतलब I had never heard of it. So I consulted many of the cardiologists in my family, and it is not possible. It needs a lot of care and a lot of attention, and बड़ौदा जैसे सिटी में तो ज्यादातर कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट ने बोला कि यू शुड नॉट गो फॉर इट. तो बहुत लोगों ने मुझे रोक दिया, एंड आई वाज वेरी मच कंफ्यूज्ड. उनकी डिवाइडेड ओपिनियन से मैं भी बहुत सारा मिसगाइड हो गया था. बट द थिंग इज व्हाट आई रियलाइज एट द एंड, जब मैंने सर्जन्स और डॉक्टर से बात की, कि जब डॉक्टर का और पेशेंट का कॉन्फिडेंस होता है और रिलेटिव्स का ट्रस्ट होता है, then we can come with good outcomes. So somehow I kept confidence in Dr. Devendra Singh and Dr. Shetty, and हम लोगों ने फैमिली डिस्कशन करके we agreed for the operation. तो जैसा उन्होंने बोला था word to word, it happened exactly like that. Very smoothly they conducted the operation in only 1.5 hours. और 1.5 घंटे में he came out of the operation theater. And he was talking like nothing has happened. तो उसके बाद ICU में he got some respiratory distress, but उसमें pulmonologist Dr. Amit Dave took good care of him. He needed some BiPAP, that is a kind of ventilatory support. They took care of very very small details also. ये मैं as a relative I cannot expect this to happen in even Mumbai or Delhi. They took बहुत ही small details के ऊपर उन्होंने ध्यान दिया, and from start to end, it was so smooth for us also and for the patient also. And now आप देख ही सकते हो, he's sitting with us, alive, happy, and he's eating good food. He's at home. They have come up with magical wonders for me. No words can be enough to thank these people who daily give birth to humanity and service to mankind in such a way. For me, it was having all the knowledge. For me, it was impossible, but they made it possible. I'm still in denial that this has happened and they have done it. So we are very happy. He's also very happy. ठीक लग रहा है पापा? Thank you so much. Thank you.